Hello students, so today we are going to solve the question from exercise 4.5 from the chapter Basic Geometrical Ideas. So first question we have, draw a rough sketch of a quadrilateral PQRS, draw its diagonals, name them. Is the meeting point of the diagonals in the interior or exterior of the quadrilateral? So हमें एक quadrilateral draw करना है, name PQRS, ओके और हमें इसके डायगोनल्स भी ड्रॉ करने हैं. उसके बाद हमें डायगोनल्स के नेम भी बताने हैं एंड बताना है कि ये डायगोनल्स कहाँ पे मीट करते हैं, इंटीरियर में या फिर एक्सटीरियर में. ओके, सो लेट्स ड्रॉ द क्वाड्रिलेटरल PQRS. सो दिस इज अ क्वाड्रिलेटरल, लेट्स नेम इट PQRS. As we know that the name of the quadrilateral is always cyclic. Okay, so PQRS. Now let's draw the diagonals. This is first diagonal that meets the opposite vertex. Okay, and this is second diagonal that meets opposite vertex Q and S. Okay, now these two diagonals are meeting at this point, right? They are intersecting at this point. Let's name it O. Okay, now the name of the diagonals we have, first diagonal is PR and second diagonal is QS. Okay, so diagonals of quadrilateral PQRS are PR and QS. Okay, so students, these are the diagonals. Now we have to answer whether the meeting point of the diagonal is in interior or exterior. So this point O, this is a meeting point, right? So where is it? Is it in interior or exterior? Interior means the inner part of the diagram and exterior means the outer part of the diagram. So this is the inner part. That means this meeting point of diagonal lie in interior. Okay, so the meeting point of diagonals is in interior of the quadrilateral. Okay, so this is your first question. Now let's come to the question number 2. Draw a rough sketch of a quadrilateral KLMN and state. So first of all we need to draw this sketch KLMN. So let's draw a quadrilateral. So let's suppose this is our quadrilateral and name it K, L, M and N. Okay, now A part, two pairs of opposite sides. So opposite sides we have, this is opposite to this and this is opposite to this. That means two pairs are KN and LM, and then second pair is KL and MN. Okay, so two pairs we have KL and MN, and secondly KN and LM, KN and LM. Okay, so these are two pairs of opposite sides. B part we have two pairs of opposite angles. So angles we have, first angle is this, second, third and fourth. Four angle we have in this quadrilateral. Now opposite angle we have, first is K and M are two opposite angles, and second L and N, these two angles are opposite angles. So how we name it? We name it NKL is opposite to LMN. Okay, so angle NKL and angle LMN. So these two angles, and angle, this angle is opposite to this. So KLM is opposite to M and K. KLM and angle MLK. Okay, so these are two pairs of opposite angles. Okay. Now, two pairs of adjacent sides. Adjacent sides are those sides which have same end, okay, or the same vertex. So adjacent sides are those sides which meets each other, okay. So like this side KN is meeting to NM and KL. So this side and this side are adjacent. Now we need to say that two pairs of adjacent. So we have to write them into pairs. So let's say this side and this side is pair, and this side and this side is pair. So K, N and NM, NM and KL, LM, KL and LM. Okay. Or we can say that LK and LM and MN and MK. Okay. So it is up to you in what way you want to write these adjacent side. Okay. So this is this end. Now D part we have two pairs of adjacent angles. Now adjacent angles are, for angle N, the adjacent angle will be K and angle M. Okay. And similarly for M, the adjacent angle will be N and angle L. Okay. So let's write angle LKN. Angle LKN is adjacent to angle KNM and angle KNM. Okay. This is one pair, and similarly angle KLM. This angle is adjacent to this angle. Okay. Angle KLM and angle LMN. LMN. Okay. So these are the two pairs of adjacent angles. So students, now you have question number 3 in your textbook that contains some activity. So you need to follow the step in this question 3 and investigate what this question is about. So this was your exercise 4.5. You need to note down this question into your notebook. So I'll see you in next exercise. Till then, keep practicing and keep learning.